Good morning, students, and happy Friday. Today is going to be a really quick day because, as you know, it's the end of Mad Week. You have an assembly this afternoon, and it is a shortened schedule. It's an early release. So we are going to have quick class periods, and your homework for today is reading 25 minutes, so that can include your literature circle reading if you need to. And this scrapbook assignment is due the day we get back. So just a quick review on the scrapbook assignment. You can click here to get the directions, which look like this. And this week you are focusing on the diary entry. So you are just writing one diary entry from the perspective of your main character. So that is William for Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, Jonas from The Giver, or Mateo from House of the Scorpion. And you are going to write in their perspective, and you are going to identify one specific character trait, like courage or kindness or greed, and identify that at the bottom of your document. And then you're going to describe events that show your character portraying that character trait. If you need an example, you can always click here and you can open up the sample letter that was written in the perspective of Isabel. And you'll notice that I put her courage, or her character trait as courage down at the bottom. And then I talked about, in her perspective, 3 incidents where she was afraid but did something brave. And so that is displaying that I understand that her character trait is courage. So if you need any more clarification on that, please let us know today, because it is due the day you get back. So this is your last chance to ask us questions in person. Just a quick reminder, you should be putting your final diary entry into the document that we assigned you on Otis. It looks like this. You can also find the instructions linked to the top. Eventually you're going to go and fill out the letter, etc., but this is the only thing you need to do for Tuesday. Moving on. Today, what's going to be a bit of independent work for the majority of the day. You are going to be taking a quick comprehension check based on whichever book you're reading for literature circles. They are 3 questions each, and you need to write incomplete sentences. Next, you are going to be taking the vocab unit 3 test on Otis. And then finally, if you finish both of those things, you can move on. You may work on your scrapbook diary entry. You can also do any missing work that you haven't made up yet. And if everything else is done, then you have time to read. So today is going to be a pretty quick day, so close up any Chromebooks and turn your attention to the teachers now.